Hi everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and guess what I have that's finally ready? The fabric packs, yay! Okay, so I know a lot of you have been waiting for these. I finally have completed them. There's 40 plus pieces of fabric inside. These contain a nice variety of different types of fabrics. You're going to find laces and muslins and linens and appliques and all different colors. There's a nice mix of colors, different textures, different fibers, some canvas. There's going to be a lot of variety. Each pack is different because I just have different supplies as I go through, but I tried to put the best of the best that I could find into each package. So let's take a quick little look at what is in here. It also includes a triple bonus if you purchase a fabric pack, and the fabric pack is mailed free priority mail shipping to you. So the triple bonus is going to include a page from this very old, very beautiful book. And this book is I believe this is a German book from 1891. So it's a very beautiful German Gothic text. I think it's a Bible, although I don't read German Gothic text. And I actually had my German sister-in-law here, and she couldn't even read the German Gothic text, but she recognizes it. She says it's beautiful, and it's very highly prized in the junk journal world. So it's a very gorgeous caramel color, and that you will get a page from this book. And I wanted to share that with you. Get a welcome page from me. And then along with the German Gothic text page, you will also receive a Victorian scrap. These are originals. They are from the olden days, 1800s, late 1800s, early 1900s. These were collectibles. They were found in Victorian scrapbooks, added to whatever they wanted to add them to for, my camera is turning for some strange reason. Hang on. Let me take that up a little bit. Okay, there. And just gorgeous, beautiful pieces. Punched out, all different. They're all different. Some might be flowers, some might be butterflies, some might be people, some might be advertisements, all a little bit different, but they're all Victorian scraps from those days. And then you're also going to get a library card, which is a catalog card, included with that as well. So a vintage library catalog card. So there's a 3-piece bonus that will come with this collection of 40 plus pieces of fabric to play with in your junk journals. And I found it very helpful to have little bits of fabric to play with in my junk journals at the ready, already cut up. And sometimes the hardest thing is just to, what's going on with my camera? Cut up the fabric. So I tried to take that burden away from you so you didn't have to deal with it. I hope I did a good job. Okay. And this is an example of one, so this is what you might see. Let me just pick it up here, it might be easier. I'm just going to go through it so you can get an idea. But there is, this is not necessarily going to be in everyone, but this one has a piece of wedding dress, some cotton muslin. And I would say the pieces range anywhere from like 2 by 2 to 8 by 8, just depending. And they're not all square, some are rectangular, some are from linens, curtains, tablecloths. There's a lot of lace pieces in here if you like lace, crochet, doily, things like that. Just beautiful sheer fabrics with pretty silver on them, some patriotic fabric, some nice muslin squares, laces of different color, beautiful laces and trim, some little gold lame, pretty eyelet trim, some just beautiful bed sheet fabric, which is so handy to use. You use the background white so easily, and you can coffee dye it and things like that. My camera is tilting. There's some upholstery fabric, some sequin things. So you're going to find some with bling, some are neutral. Just trying to follow this here so you can see it. Some of these are from gorgeous evening gowns, things like that. Beautiful, I don't know what you call this, embroidery work or crochet work. Some curtains and laces and tablecloths, more upholstery fabric, some beautiful muslin fabric, lots of varieties, different sizes. These are old pieces, so you may find a tear, you may find a stain, you may find an irregularity because Pam cut them. Okay, so there you go. And but there's certainly enough usable things in here to make many, many, many little elements in your junk journal to give it lots of variety. Texture, this is one of my favorite pieces. I think pretty much everybody got some of this, I think. I think it was a giant tablecloth. Here's a piece from placemat, some embroidery on it, some beautiful lace pieces, some quilting squares, more lace. I know it's a strange angle, sorry. Some cotton muslin, some pretty little variety pieces, some sheer pieces. And I've been starting to show you different ways you can use fabric. We just did some fabric altered paper clips. You can make fabric covers. Some are thick, some are thin, all different sizes, shapes, colors. I coffee dyed this particular bed sheet, so it came out that kind of cool color. I thought that was neat. There are some beautiful, very heavily beaded pieces in here that I believe came from India. They're gorgeous. Some of the packs got those. I think most of them probably got that. And just some random gorgeous lace pieces. So there you go. That is what a typical pack will look like. And that'll give you an idea of what to expect. And then you get the triple bonus with it. So oh goodness gracious. I just wanted you to get a gander of what you might find inside one of these. So I believe I made 100, and so I doubled what I made last time. And I'm hoping to maybe have these be a current thing. I just can't cut them that fast. So I'm doing my best to catch up. We'll see how quickly these go. If they go quickly, I'll just go ahead and start making more. And we'll go from there. So everybody, happy crafting. Know that I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. You can sign up for that. Below, all the links are below my video in the drop-down description box. Oh, hang on, let me get the card. In case you can't see the drop-down description box, I'll show you what you actually can type out on your computer or your phone if you feel so inclined. To sign up for the free monthly email newsletter, you get a free digital image, a checklist of supplies, a note from the bookmaker which explains what a junk journal is, and a page list of ideas. So that's the top one, to break the blank page, and then you can use that idea 4 different ways to make interesting things in your junk journals. Also, there is, my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays, new audio material on junk journaling, life of a crafter, paper crafting, and answering your crafty questions. And all the other days of the week, video podcasts on Spotify. If you like to watch video podcasts there, you can find a bunch there from the Paper Outpost. And also, I have an Amazon shop if you're looking for favorite tools and supplies. I have links. I try to put the links in there that I can find. If you click on those links, that does help my shop, but you do not pay more for the items by using those links. So thank you for everybody who has clicked on those links. And also, I have a t-shirt shop if you like the phrase create with reckless abandon, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise. You too can get a t-shirt, sweatshirt, zipped hoodie, mug tote, or water bottle with those phrases on them. And of course, well, we have something from Sunshine. Sunbun, would you like to have a few words?
Absolutely. I was waiting for you to ask. Now that I'm all fit and dandy. This is not my regular place, Mom. I don't recognize what we're doing here. But I can roll with it because I am Pup Cub reporter, reporting from the coffee table apparently this morning. And all is well. Mom had lunch and she didn't give me any. She said there was mango
Hold on. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Wait, we have a little problem with the technical issue here right now with the pup. Hold on. We have a wiggler. Okay,
I'm coming back in. I'm over here. Mom? Okay, I'm back. All right, so there's a strange noise and it's scaring me. She said there was mango habanero sauce on the chicken and she wouldn't give it to me because they would cause problems. You know the kind of problems I'm talking about. Not pretty. That's right. I understood completely and I was okay with that. But there better be some chicken later. That's all I'm saying. Just a little small piece. That's all I ask.
Okay, we'll work on that. And you're doing okay otherwise?
Absolutely. Everything's dandy.
Okay, good. All right, well, why don't you give everybody hugs and kisses?
Love y'all.
Okay, well, take care, Sonny. Yep, he's ready to go. There you go, Bubba. I know. Here, let me throw your ginger man. A gingerbread man. Oh, that's a very interesting angle, isn't it? Okay, so this is my coffee table with the stuff on it. So there you go, folks. These are hot and live. I think I actually put them up for sale Sunday, but you're actually going to see the video flip through today, Monday, just because that's the way the dice rolled at the old Paper Outpost. So I hope all is well. If you are interested in a fabric pack, please feel free to go ahead and get one. You can get one at the Paper Outpost, www.thepaperoutpost.com, or just go to Etsy and do your best to try and find the Paper Outpost. It's not always easy, but they will be there, and they will be titled under the section called Fabric Packs until they're all sold. So thank you very much. I really, truly appreciate your support. I hope you have fun with these fabric items and make fun things for your junk journals, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.